restaurants. Typical seaside place in England, this is. There's a fun fair. This is the main street for Skegness. I feel that already. Quite surprised. Hildred's. That's Hildred's shopping centre in there where the blue sign is. Well, you can see it. This is the main street. Quite a few people about already. Saying it's very hairy. Yorkshire Trading. Greg's. Oh, you can't beat a Greg's. Especially their steak pie. Bake, sorry. Really nice. A lot of charity shops, arcades, yeah. Yeah, hairdressers, August. As far as they're not open, but open at 10 o'clock I think on the August, on the Sunday. Here's Lumley Pub. Used to be an hotel I believe years ago. Before my time, well, before I moved here, should I say. Come on then, pal, what are you doing? That bloody thing stunk of diesel. Ooh. Morrison's. Yeah, this is the outskirts now. This road takes you to Boston, but I'm not going there. I'm going for a nice little country ride out. Nice little cruise, just chilling out on a Sunday morning as you do. Yeah, that's a quick little tour of Skegness. Now we're going out to it. Just a bit further down here and that's it, that's Skeggy. Obviously there's a lot more to do. We got the seafront, etc. Fairground, yeah, so good fun. But I want to get out on my bike and just have a cruise. It's unfortunately it's gonna change, I think, apparently, the weather. New building here, I wonder what that's gonna be. Sure what that's going to be. Yeah. Looks a bit big. Yeah, so I hope everybody is okay and they managed to get the bikes out if you are a biker watching this video. I'm getting a little bit excited for tomorrow to look at the Royal Enfield and the CBR 500R. Don't worry, I'm still keeping my little beastie.